Here I have Johnny M7 Power, and let me show you how to take screenshot on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be simply the list of settings. Here let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you again. Hold down together power key and volume down, and you just capture the screen. You can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Just use the upper bar twice, and here you should tap the super screenshot. So here you can, for example, use the long screenshot. This is a really cool feature. And now you can scroll down to save the long screenshot. Let me tap save. And let me do it again. Let's choose here super screenshot, and here you can also use the select shot. It's also a really cool feature. Let's just select somewhere on the screen to select, for example, just those two settings, tap save, and that's it. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do something with your pictures, let's open the upper bar, and here you can find the screenshot captured, or you can also find the file explorer, or you can also choose here the gallery or the photos. Let me just find it. So here you have gallery, and here you can choose albums. For example, you can choose the screenshot folder when you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.